Excited to be breaking ground on a massive campus transformation, Hilton at Island High School held a groundbreaking ceremony celebrating the beginning of construction.
We're really excited by this new rebuild/remodel because this building was built in 1983 and we're kind of restricted to some of the space that we have and some of the programs we can offer. So everybody's excited to be able to have more classroom space, to expand our programs. We can provide more opportunities for students to learn about different skills and things they can use to support, let's say, the local economy or even the global economy.
This is one of the most ambitious construction projects the Beaufort County School District has ever done. It's expected to take about 4.5 years to complete. The project will begin with the construction of a 3-story academic building, followed by the addition of a new cafeteria and a dedicated wing for career and technical education programs. Then renovations will be made to the athletics and performing arts areas.
The teachers are really excited about having more classroom space. You know, one of the things that students need to do when they go into the real world is they got to collaborate. They got to work, with other people. And some of our classroom space is smaller, so it allows students opportunities in classrooms to be bigger so students can work in groups and they can collaborate more. So I think teachers are really, really looking forward to having that collaborative space. I also know in the new building in the hallways, we're building extra space for students to collaborate out there as well. So I think everybody's excited about the collaboration piece.
We are excited to start the next chapter in the history of Hilton Head Island High School.
The students and teachers can't wait for the construction to begin, especially the educators who've been teaching in the building for many years.
This is year 33 for me. I think it'll be great to sort of finish out my time in the building that currently exists, but be able to watch the new one go up and see sort of all the fantastic things that are about to come and what the future will look like for these kids when they get all new stuff. Everybody wants new stuff.
I'm excited to just have a new school in general. I think it's exciting because I've only been here 1 year. I'm not that used to it. And just to see something new, I think is exciting.
This project is being funded by the 2023 School Board Referendum. At Hilton at Island High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.